tried. Keep that in mind. I designed this rhyme to explain in due time. All I know, time is a valuable thing. Watch it fly by as the pendulum swings. Watch it count down to the end of the day. The clock takes life away. It's so unreal. Didn't look down below. Watch the time go right out the window. Trying to hold on to didn't even know I wasted it all just to watch you go. Kept everything inside and even though I tried, it all fell apart. What it meant to me will eventually be a memory of a time I tried so hard and got so far.
Eu tô morrendo aí, não. Tu vê? Tô vendo também.
One thing, I don't know why. It doesn't even matter how hard you try. Keep that in mind. I designed this rhyme to remind myself how I tried so hard. In spite of the way you were mocking me, acting like I was part of your property. Remembering all the times you fought with me, I'm surprised it got
Meu
so
Deus, eu tô voando. Pera aí, deixa eu levantar aqui, ó.
You didn't even recognize me anymore. Not that you knew me back then, but it all comes back to me in.
Oi, pera aí, eu tô bêbado, na moral. Olha! Ei, ei! Ei! Já cheguei pra frente.
I've put my trust in you. Pushed as far as I can go. For all this, there's only one thing.
Como é?
Quando for fight, só. Eita, pô, bagulho. Isso aqui o barulho aí que tá mexendo, né?
Everybody was kung fu fighting. Those kids were fast as lightning.
É acirrado isso
In
aqui.
fact, it was a little bit frightening. But they fought with expert timing.
Não é comigo, não tá nada bom. Aí, ó, tá vendo? Tá bom? Tá bom? Ah, tá certo,
They
então.
were chopping them up. They were chopping them down. It's an ancient Chinese art, and everybody knew their part. A fainting to a snip and a kicking from the hip.
Vamos matar agora?
Kung fu fighting. Those kids were fast as lightning.
Tu tá sobrevivendo com os aqui,
It was a little bit frightening.
Deixa, vai.
But they fought with expert timing.
hot, né?
E aí? E aí? Cadê meu bastão? Não, e aí?
Eu vou morrer, né?
Vai? Não, vai lá, tem bastante não. Vai lá. É. Vai. Não. Ai, agora. Começou a dar muito gosto de teoria. Dá pra tentar baixar algum jogo de Play 2 pelo ISO aí. Pra jogar. Baixar o PSX2 e jogar.
Mas eu não levo não, não perdeu não.
Vai.
Oi!
Perdeu, já.
Nico, como era o nome daquela música mesmo? Que a gente não para de cantar?
Ah, tá bom.
Fique numa boa, sabendo o que vai tocar depois. Desative a ordem aleatória para ouvir playlists e álbuns do início ao fim